Stickman animation videos are getting millions of views right now. More and more YouTube channels are growing fast by creating this type of content, and many of them are generating a great income every single month. The best part is, you don't need expensive software or paid AI tools to create videos like these. In this video, I'll show you how to create a complete professional Stickman animation video using only free AI tools. AI will write your script, generate images for every scene, turn those images into animations, create a realistic AI voiceover, generate a high-quality thumbnail, and even create your video's SEO for you. From start to finish, the entire workflow is powered by AI, and I'll walk you through every step in the simplest way possible. So make sure you watch until the very end, because if you miss even a single step, you might have trouble following the rest of the workflow. With that said, let's get started. The first thing we need is a great topic for our video. So head over to ChatGPT. Here you'll need to enter this prompt. Generate 10 engaging content ideas related to self-improvement, productive habits, psychology, relationship advice, and financial mistakes people often make. Once you've entered the prompt, click Send. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate 10 viral topic ideas for you. Go through the list carefully and choose the topic you find the most interesting, then copy it, because that's the topic we'll use for our entire Stickman animation video. Next, open the Google Docs file linked in the video description. Inside, you'll find my Stickman animation master prompt. Select the entire prompt and copy it. After that, head over to Claude AI and start a new chat. Paste the entire master prompt into Claude and click Send. Claude will analyze the prompt, then ask you for just two things: your video topic and your desired video length. Now, go back to ChatGPT, copy the topic you selected earlier, and paste it into Claude. Then enter your video's length. For example, if you're creating a 2-minute video, simply type 2 minutes and click Send. Within a few seconds, Claude will generate your complete video package. First, you'll get the full voiceover script. Next, you'll receive AI image prompts for every scene. After that, Claude will generate animation prompts for each of those scenes. Finally, it will ask if you'd like to generate a thumbnail and full YouTube SEO as well. We'll come back to those later. For now, let's focus on creating the complete video first. Now it's time to prepare our Stickman character. To do that, head over to Google and search for Stickman character. Then open the Images tab, choose any Stickman character you like, and download it. If you want your videos to stand out even more, you can also create your own custom Stickman character and use it throughout the entire video. Now that our Stickman character is ready, it's time to generate the AI images. First, head over to the Google Flow AI website. Click the plus icon at the top and upload your Stickman character. Once it's uploaded, click the 3 dots on the image and select Add to Prompt. This will use your character as a reference, keeping it consistent across every scene. Next, go back to Claude AI and copy the first AI image prompt. Then return to Google Flow and paste the prompt into the prompt box. Under the settings, select Image Mode, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, choose Nano Banana 2 as the model, leave the image count set to 1, and click Generate. Within a few seconds, your first Stickman image will be ready. Now go back to Claude AI, copy the second image prompt, and return to Google Flow. This time, click the 3 dots on the image you just generated and select Add to Prompt. Then paste the second image prompt and click Generate again. Repeat the same process for every remaining scene. Each time, add the latest generated image as a reference before pasting the next prompt and generating the new image. This will keep your Stickman character, art style, and overall visual consistency the same throughout the entire video. In just a few minutes, all of your scene images will be ready. Now it's time to turn our images into animations. First, head back to Google Flow AI. Find the image you want to animate, click the 3 dots on it, and select Add to Prompt. Then go back to Claude AI and open Part 3, where you'll find the animation prompts. Copy the animation prompt for the first scene, then return to Google Flow and paste it into the prompt box. Next, under the settings, switch to video mode. Keep the aspect ratio set to 16:9, set the duration to 6 seconds, select OmniFlash as the model, and leave the rest of the settings at their default values. Once everything is set, click Generate. Within a few seconds, your first image will be transformed into a smooth animated video. Now go back to Claude AI, copy the animation prompt for the second scene, return to Google Flow, add the second image to the prompt, paste the new animation prompt, and click Generate again. Repeat this exact process for every remaining scene. In just a few minutes, all of your images will be converted into animated videos. As you can see on the screen, the animations look smooth and natural. The Stickman character stays perfectly consistent in every scene, and the overall video has a clean, professional look. Once all of your animated videos are ready, go ahead and download each one. Now it's time to generate the voiceover. First, head back to Claude AI. At the very top, you'll find the complete voiceover script. If you want, you can generate the voiceover for each scene separately, but I'll show you a much easier method that lets you generate the entire voiceover in one go. In Claude, enter this prompt. Transform this script into a single flowing voiceover paragraph without using scene labels, headings, or numbered sections. Then click Send. Within a few seconds, Claude will convert the entire scene-by-scene script into one continuous paragraph. Once it's ready, copy the entire script. Next, head over to the ElevenLabs website. Paste the script into the text box, then choose any voice model you like. If you'd like, you can also adjust the voice settings to match your preference. Once everything is set, click Generate Speech. Within a few seconds, your complete AI voiceover will be ready. Play it back once to make sure everything sounds natural. If everything looks good, go ahead and download your voiceover. Now that all of our animated videos and the AI voiceover are ready, it's time to edit everything together and create a professional Stickman animation video. You can use any video editing software you prefer. I'll be using CapCut, but you can use any editor you're comfortable with. First, create a new project, then import all of your animated video clips along with your AI voiceover. Start by placing the voiceover on the timeline. After that, arrange each animated clip to match the narration. Whenever a specific line is being spoken, make sure the corresponding animation is shown on screen so the video flows naturally. If any of your animated clips already include audio, mute them, since we'll only be using our AI voiceover. To make the video feel even more professional, add a good copyright-free background music track. Keep the volume low enough so the voiceover remains clear and easy to understand. If you'd like, you can also generate auto captions and customize them to match your style. You can even add subtle sound effects, simple transitions, or light zoom effects to make the video more engaging. Once everything is in place, preview the entire video from start to finish. If you notice any issues with the timing, audio, or animation sync, make the necessary adjustments. When everything looks perfect, click the export button in the top right corner and export your video in high quality. Within a few moments, your professional Stickman animation video will be ready. If you're creating long-form Stickman animation videos, having a great thumbnail and properly optimized SEO can make a huge difference in your video's performance. So, head back to Claude AI. In the chat box, simply type thumbnail and click send. Claude will then ask you to upload 4 to 5 reference thumbnails. Next, go to YouTube and open any successful Stickman animation channel in your niche. Download or take screenshots of 4 to 5 thumbnails that you really like. Then go back to Claude AI, click the plus icon, upload all of those reference thumbnails, and click Send. Within a few seconds, Claude will analyze those thumbnails and generate a detailed AI thumbnail prompt based on their style. Copy that prompt, then head over to Google Flow AI or any AI image generator you prefer. Paste the prompt, generate your thumbnail, and within a few moments, you'll have a high-quality thumbnail ready to use. If the first result isn't exactly what you're looking for, simply make a few adjustments to the prompt and generate 2 or 3 more variations until you're happy with the final result. Once you've found the best thumbnail, download it. Now head back to Claude AI one more time, type SEO in the chat box, and click Send. Claude will generate 5 high CTR title ideas, a fully optimized YouTube description, relevant tags, and hashtags for your video. Simply choose your favorite title, copy the description, tags, and hashtags, and you're all set. At this point, your video, thumbnail, and SEO are completely ready. All that's left to do is upload everything to YouTube, and your professional Stickman animation video is ready to be published. So that's how you can create a professional Stickman animation video from start to finish using nothing but AI. The next time you want to create a new video, you won't have to repeat the entire process. Simply choose a new topic in ChatGPT, then follow the same workflow. Use Claude AI to generate your script, image prompts, animation prompts, thumbnail prompt, and complete YouTube SEO. Next, generate your images and animations in Google Flow AI, create your AI voiceover with ElevenLabs, and edit everything together in CapCut to produce your final video. By following this workflow, you can create unlimited high-quality Stickman animation videos whenever you want. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, or if there's a specific tutorial you'd like to see next, let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn how to create viral Roblox story videos using AI, click the video that's on your screen right now. In that tutorial, I walk you through the entire process step by step from start to finish. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.